everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm trying out some new Annabelle makeup. I'm pretty sure this is limited edition. I've seen it at Shoppers Drug Mart on a pre-pack. So the first item I am testing out is the Annabelle Eccentricity. That's what it is. It's just the way it's spelled. It's just really confusing. Eccentricity eye and face palette. To be honest with you, I have not really tested out a lot of Annabelle eyeshadows. Just haven't. They used to have little single ones that I was kind of into before. I really like their the Annabelle Skinny Lash Mascara for the bottom lashes is my absolute favorite mascara there is for the bottom lashes. They also sent me 3 of their lipsticks that came out and 1 of their new metallic lip top coats. So we're going to test this out, but first we're going to create some sort of eye look using this palette. So if you would like to see me create some sort of look, please keep watching. Okay, so first I'm starting this eye look using the Benefit Stay Don't Stray eye primer. I love this stuff, so I'm going to use a little bit of that all over the eye. I will link down below in the description just in case anybody is wondering anything that I'm using on my face that I obviously didn't apply on camera. So that will all be listed down below. I do that in all my videos just in case you're new to my channel. Okay, so for my all over shadow color, I'm going to mix a little bit of the highlight shade with a little bit of the low light shade together on a big fluffy Coastal Scents brush. Next, I'm picking up the Joe Fresh Crease Shadow Brush. And, ooh, what am I going to do? So, the downfall about this palette, there's a little bit of a downfall. Kind of to me. There is no matte. There's no matte shades in here. Everything in here does have a sheen. So, you know, I don't absolutely love that, but it is what it is. I'm going to mix together the pink and burgundy shade. The shadows are coming off across a little bit powdery in the pan. Okay, so next I'm dipping into this purpley kind of color shade. It's a little bit dark, so I'm going in with the Coastal Scents tapered little shadow brush here. I'm dipping that in. Focusing that also in my crease, but not bringing it high up. Just keeping it right in the socket of my eye. Also taking the same color using this is a MAC, I don't even know, this is so old, there's no number on it. This is like a flat tapered brush, taking the exact same purple color, and I'm going to now press it on the outside of my eye, just keeping in the very, very corner on the lower lid. Taking the same brush, I'm going to dip into this light blue shade. Keeping this now in the lower lid, more in the center of the eye. I'm trying to use all the shades in this palette just so I can test every color out. So I'm taking this blue aqua color, focusing that more into the center lower lid. Now I'm going to buff this purpley blue dark shade here. I'm taking an Equal Tools little brush. I'm going to buff this color right underneath the lash line, keeping it on the very outside of my eye. Then I'm mixing in the light turquoise blue color as well, focusing this more into the center of the lower lash line. So now I'm using the last shade in the palette, this gold shade, and taking a little I think this is a lip brush actually. So I'm dipping in to the gold shadow, and I'm focusing that right in the inner corners of my eye. Also taking it down right into the tear duct. Connecting it to that lower lash blue shade we have going on. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with the Maybelline. This is the new Tattoo Studio liquid liner, so we're going to go in with that. Okay, so I just did a little cat eye to kind of finish off the look, but now I have to go into the waterline and to the upper lash line. So I'm going to use the Lise Watier. This is the Gel Dramatique liner in the shade Denim. So we're going to go in with that. It's like a bluish black color, so it ties in really nice to the eye. I'm just going to go in with a light coat of mascara. I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara because I'm going to apply some fake eyelashes. So I don't need that much. I just need a little just to coat the lashes. For my bottom lashes, I'm going to use my favorite little bottom lash mascara. This is the Annabelle Skinny Mascara. I just glued on a pair of Sali lashes in the style Angelic. They're pretty soft, not too large, they don't cover the eyeshadow. So this would be the eye look, and now we're going to test out some lip color. Okay, so we have 3 lipsticks in this collection. So the first one is called Out of the Ordinary. So it's orange. Are we gonna do orange with this eye makeup look? No, we're not. No, we are not. It goes on though super creamy, super orange. So that's a good option. I would definitely wear this 100%, but I would wear it more with hardly any eye makeup, more natural in the eye, and then I would definitely use a pop of orange on the lip. So the next shade we have is Bold Mama. I did not expect this at all. So this is a yellow lipstick. So it's very translucent with a nice iridescence to it. It actually is pretty nice. It's a lot different than what I thought it was. Because if this was a full-blown yellow lipstick, it's not very wearable. But this one would be wearable. You can put it over top. It's a great topper. And then next up we have Strange Her. Strange Her. Not Stranger. Strange Her. Which would, I feel like that's more my vibe because I'm a little bit strange. If you know me, I'm a little weird, you know? So this one here, I really like. Check that out. It's a really nice mauve-y kind of pink color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply that one. Maybe I'll apply some of the yellow on top, and then we have lip gloss as well to try out. So this is a lot happening. I'm going to line my lips first. This is a little skinny MAC lip liner. It's so old, I don't even know the color. It came off, but it's basically just a nude looking kind of color. Then I'm going in with the Strange Her lipstick. It's a really pretty, almost like a neutral pink. I'm gonna add a little bit of this yellow over top to see if it does, just to see if it does anything. So we're gonna add a little bit of this yellow. Not really. I think this one would be better off by itself, but I do have a lip gloss to test out as well, so let's test that out. Eccentricity. I got it down now. Hopefully that is how you say it. Metallic Lip Top Coat. And this is in the shade Frea-Kiss-ness. Okay, why is everything in this collection hard to say? This is called Frea-Kiss-ness, I think. Ooh, this is super pretty. Not sticky at all. Goes on kind of watery. Feels a little bit like a water, but really cute. Would be nice by itself, but also is nice over top of this lipstick. Super pretty. I thought it would be very unwearable. I thought it'd be too metallic, but actually it looks nice. Again, I wouldn't really pair up a metallic lip with like a bold eye like this. I kind of do one or the other, but I think it does work. It does look nice, and I think it definitely is pretty. It's very summery, and I like it. Okay, so this is my finished look. It actually is pretty nice. I don't mind it. I was a little bit like, I was a little bit unsure about this whole palette to start with, but now that it's all in the eye, I actually really, really like it. So let's just break it down, okay? Let's break it down. So again, this is a drugstore palette. Is it gonna be the best quality thing I've ever used? Probably not. Did I think it was good? Yeah, I do. So let's just start with the packaging. I do like the packaging. I think it stands out. It's nice. The shadows itself, the only downfall about the shadows, in my opinion, is that there's no matte shades at all. So every shade in here does have a sheen to it. So some people might like that. Some people don't like it as much. Obviously, if I was going to use this for a makeup look, I would just go in with another transition color that I own and then add these colors over top. So is it a make it or break kind of thing for me? No. Is it like travel friendly that you have all the colors you need? Not really. But here's the thing. You come with 2 highlighter shades that you can use on your face or eyes. I chose to use them on my eyes today because I already had a highlighter on. They are really nice. They're super blinding. It is blinding. So that's really, really good. Number 2, if you wanted to create more of a subtle eye look, it's really easy to do with this palette. You could just go in maybe with these 3 shadows plus a highlight shade. There you go, that's a neutral eye. If you want to add more color, more boldness, go in with, mix in a little bit of the blue, mix in a little bit of the purple. But you know what? The quality was good. They are pigmented. They blended out great. They are powdery in the pan, but on the eye, they don't make a mess, and I found them really easy to work with, and the color payoff was really nice. So I really do think this is a great drugstore find. Yes, I do. Then we go into the lipsticks. Lipsticks are creamy, they're lightweight, and they have nice color payoff. I really love the orange, so if you're an orange girl, you might want to pick this up because I'm pretty sure it's limited edition, so you need to get this. But this mauve pink color that I have called Strange Hurt is amazing. It's the perfect kind of pinky mauve color without being over the top. This yellow top coat, I think it's cute. Would I personally buy this? No, it's more gimmicky. It's great if you want to add a little bit of glitter to your lip. I think this would be really nice for a younger girl, you know, a kid, more of a kid that wants to kind of get into the makeup, but their mom's like, oh no, I don't want you wearing lipstick. Maybe get them a little glitter lipstick. It's kind of cute. And this top coat thing I really like. At first I was like, I'm not going to like this, but I actually like it. This is the Eccentricity Metallic Lip Top Coat in the shade Frea-Kiss-ness, something like that. I don't know. But actually it's really nice and it's wearable. At first I'm like, this is not going to be wearable, but it really is beautiful. I think it's nice. I think it's subtle, and I think it makes me look like I have juicy, kissable lips. Alright, so this is the end of my review. I hope you guys did find it helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel for new videos. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!